Once in a quiet countryside stood two houses facing each other, separated by a river and years of silence. Thomas, a stubborn old farmer, hadn't spoken to his son, Daniel, since the day they argued and Daniel left home. The bridge that once connected their lands and their hearts had burned long ago, leaving only ashes of regret. One morning, a carpenter knocked on Thomas' door. I am passing through, he said, and I can build anything you need. Thomas hesitated and then replied, build me a fence, tall enough so I never have to see that side again. The carpenter nodded quietly, but his eyes held a different plan. For 3 days, the carpenter worked tirelessly near the river. Thomas avoided watching, thinking a taut fence was taking shape. The sound of hammering filled the valley, rhythmic, steady, almost like a heartbeat healing old wounds. When the carpenter finally called, it's finished. Thomas stepped outside and froze. There wasn't a fence. In its place stood a new bridge, strong, beautiful, and glowing in the evening light. And across that bridge stood Daniel. Daniel's voice trembled. Father, I came to ask forgiveness. I never thought I would see this bridge again. Tears welled in Thomas' eyes as he whispered, I asked for a fence, but God built a bridge. They met in the middle where silence turned into forgiveness. By morning, the carpenter was gone, leaving only his tools behind. A small note read, bridges aren't built from wood, but from hearts willing to forgive. From that day, Thomas and Daniel rebuilt not just their bridge, but their bond stronger than ever. Moral of the story is forgiveness isn't forgetting the past, it's building a bridge strong enough to cross it. Here 10 difficult words with their meanings to learn and improve English. Reconciliation, the act of restoring friendly relations after conflict or separation. Estranged, no longer close or affectionate, emotionally distant or separated. Redemption, the process of making up for past mistakes or wrongdoings. Enduring, lasting over a long period, continuing despite difficulties. Remnants, small remaining parts of something that once existed or was whole. Resolved, firm determination to do something or find a solution. Vulnerability, the state of being open to emotional pain or showing true feelings. Restoration, the act of bringing something back to its original or better condition. Empathy, the ability to understand and share another person's feelings. Transcendence, rising above conflict, pain, or limitation to reach understanding or peace. For more such stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.